Good morning, my dear viewers and subscribers. I'm going for a nature walk. Join me, everyone. Today is such a beautiful morning. So nice. The temperature is cooler compared than yesterday. Enjoy the beautiful trees. And where is the sun? I want to get my vitamin D. But it's cloudy this morning, so sooner or later, I think the sun will be out. I am stopping by to see my scallion that, that I planted in the woods. I hope everything is doing well. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Look, my scallion, they're not doing well whatsoever. I think they got washed out because it's been raining for 3 days and they're not growing well at all. Even my chayote. I'll try again next year. Or maybe I can plant some more this week because it's only August, so I got a month, 2 months. So I'll try to plant more scallion. See, I can hardly see them because they're not growing at all. It's okay. I'm not giving up. I'll try one more time this week or next week because I'm just experimenting. Look, everyone, there's a garbage dump over there. I can see old stuff. Look how old they are. I think the farmer a long, long time ago did throw their garbage here because I can see a lot of old tin and some broken glass. Interesting. See? Oh, wow. Look at this beautiful yellow flower. Another good find today. I love wildflowers. Look at a big mushroom, guys. Looks so healthy. Let me know if this is edible. Edible. There are some wild mushroom that you can eat because when I was in the Philippines, we always find wild mushroom and they were delicious. So this one looks like it. Look at these bushes. They're having some fruit and flowers. I found a purple flower as well. Let's go in the woods. It's more interesting in the woods. And remember, I told you my favorite spot. So I'm here right now. I will be very careful. I'm hopping on this big log. Now I am walking on this big log. One of my favorite spot, remember? I can see the ginger that I planted from here. My ginger is doing well. So next year I will plant more ginger because the ginger like it here. So that's good because my experiments is working. See, it's getting taller. I don't know if you can see my ginger from where I'm standing. Can you hear the birds singing and tweeting? They tweet a lot more in the morning. But if I go in the woods, in the afternoon, I barely hear any birds chirping. So in the morning, you can hear a lot of them tweeting and chirping. And sometimes they're very noisy. I hope you're enjoying the birds singing and chirping, everyone. It's really calming. What a beautiful forest. So nice. Enjoy, everyone. Yesterday I heard an owl. But today I only hear the birds enjoying their morning. I'm getting out in the woods now, and enjoy your day, everyone. And see you in my next video. More adventures await with Mila. Stay tuned. God bless us all. Bye.